Hi, I'm Kevin King, and today I'm going to show you how to use the air filter size chart to find the correct filter. There's going to be a link to the air filter size chart in the description of this video. So this can save you time and money. One of the number one issues people have is ordering the incorrect filter. So air filters, furnace filters, AC filters, HVAC filters, they're all the same thing. So really the most important thing you need to know is the size and to make sure that your filter is compatible with what you're replacing. So you can either find a replacement that is made by the OEM, which is the original equipment manufacturer, say Carrier makes your equipment, they make a replacement filter. So you can either get a Carrier, or sometimes you can save significant money by getting what's called an aftermarket, which just means it's manufactured by somebody else to replace the Carrier filter, or they're also known as compatibles. So by knowing that if you get the correct compatible, you can save a lot of money, but you need to make sure that you have the correct size. So air filters are labeled by what's called the nominal size. So that means that it's a rounded number. The actual size of the filter may or may not be on the filter, and not all 20 by 25 by 5 filters are compatible from one manufacturer to the next. So you want to check for compatibility and size. And you can do that by looking at your filter and by measuring your filter. So one of the things you want to do is make sure that your filter doesn't have any special characteristics. So when I say special characteristics, I'm talking about something like this filter has foam gaskets on the side of it. Now this isn't compatible for Air Bear because Air Bear has foam gaskets on both sides of the filter. So it's specifically made to be compatible for Air Bear. So that's one of the things you want to look for. If your filter, say, is just basically a box and doesn't have anything special and it's MERV 8 to 11, you can probably replace it with any compatible as long as it's the same actual size. This particular one doesn't have the nominal size is only 2 digits. It only gives you the length and the height. It doesn't give you the width. So you want to look at the item number and look at compatibles for that item number, or measure the dimensions and find something that has the exact same actual size. So you can do that in the air filter size chart. The first thing you're going to see in the air filter size chart are standard 1-inch filters. And when I say a 1-inch filter, I mean 1 inch thick. Now a 1-inch filter, it's rounded 1 inch. They're actually normally 7.75 inches thick. So here's an 18 by 30 by 1 filter. And you can see it's got the nominal size on the filter, but it also has the actual size on the filter. So the actual size of the filter is 17.5 by 29.5 by 3/4. And you want to make sure that when you're looking at the chart, it's going to have the nominal size and then the actual size and then 3 levels of filtration, which is called MERV. It's the minimum efficiency reporting value, and that's the efficiency of the filter. The higher the number, the more efficient. So this is a MERV 8 filter, and this is the first level about that starts to protect air quality. And the higher you go, if you have allergies, MERV 11 or 13 might be a better choice. But some filters are very basic and they don't have what's called a MERV. You can see right through this. These are just for protecting the equipment and not for protecting the air quality. And we believe that it's important to protect the air quality, and you need at least a MERV 8 or higher to start protecting your air quality, really. So I think you should look at those when you're looking at it, and look at the size chart, and you would go down the page, look at the size chart, and you can have all the sizes. You just go to 18 by 30 by 1, click on that number, and it will link you to a collection with 3 filters. It has the MERV 8, 11, and 13, and you can choose the one that works best for you. So hope that helps. Happy filter shopping. If you have any questions, leave a comment. There's a more detailed video further down the page that shows different types of filters and some of the common errors that people make when they're ordering filters. Thanks for tuning in.